Today we have a Hobby Lobby haul. Hello my friends, and welcome back to Where Wendy Travels, Where Wendy Creates. Today we have a Hobby Lobby haul. And I was lucky enough to get to Hobby Lobby when they had 75% off all spring. So get in there now. I plan on getting back there in the next day or two, if at all possible. But I found some wonderful everyday wrapping paper, normally $4.99, clearanced or reduced to $1.24. So a beautiful roll of wrapping paper, and that is 50 square foot, which is 30 by 240 inches. So again, great bargain, absolutely beautiful in that burlap and flower look. Also, in the kitchen section, I found these babies, and I am thinking that these would be the perfect beach sand metal detector scoopers for when I need that long handle, short, small, inconspicuous kind of scoop. And these were $1.99 each. I picked up 75% off. So absolutely very, very wonderful there. And let me just go ahead and dump out some items here. I have quite a lot of exciting things to share today. They had, and I know Joann's is advertising these too, but Hobby Lobby has them 99 cents. Normally $1.99 and $2.49, depending upon which ones you get, probably by age. These both say 2010. They're 3 yards each of extra wide double fold bias tape. And I bought different colors of these because I have different fidget quilts that these make my job so much easier when I use those. So I picked up a bunch of these in some most popular colors that I use, and I picked up all of that color that they had left. So I'm very, very excited about this purchase. Also, couldn't believe it, in the gift wrapping section, these normally 99 cents. I picked up for 24 cents each. They're little gnomes, a 12 count. I thought these would be great in my junk journals and boho journals. Looks like I got 3 packages of those, 24 cents each. And then I got 2 of the gift tags. Now these are already decorated on one side, normally 99 cents. I got for 24 cents, a 12 count of each. Very excited about those as well. And then I picked up these adorable, normally $2.99, erasable with a damp cloth, liquid chalk in pink and blue. So we're going to be using those on some chalkboard that I have, chalkboard fabric, that I'm going to be putting in both junk journals, boho journals, as well as on some different fabric projects that I'm working on. So very excited about that. And 74 cents normally, $2.99. Of course, a 2 count liquid chalk there. And I picked up these beautiful plates. I could not help myself. I thought they were just absolutely beautiful spring. You can always use paper plates. Normally $5.99, which is normally very high priced, I think, for 20 plates. However, 75% off, I could not resist. So I got 4 packages of those, and I thought that'd be fun for a little party. And I have a girlfriend who's just gone crazy about gnomes. So I picked up a little Be Happy gnome for the garden. So very excited about gifting her that as well. And I am working on some baby quilts. So I could not help myself. I found 4 beautiful colors that I thought, well, 3 for the baby quilts that I thought would go great with the colors that I currently have. We'll audition those later and make sure that they work. Half a yard each. And then I got these beautiful boots because in the country, y'all, boots just go great with everything, I think. So I picked those up. And the zippers. I want to go ahead and try my hand at making a couple of dresses for myself, just round the house dresses. So I got 4 zippers on clearance, 99 cents, normally $3.49. Now these are the invisible zippers, and we're going to be doing some projects coming up real soon on the zippers. Again, these are the invisible zippers. I got the neutral colors, the gray, the yellow, the tan, the light beige. And these are 22 inches long. And I did get them the long size because I thought for the dresses, you want the long size to squeeze in and out of those things. So I picked those up, and last but not least, you always need candles. Every time a birthday comes around, you're looking for candles. Well, I am an empty nester, so everybody's out of the house. So I figured I would get some black and white candles. Normally $1.99, 20 count for just 49 cents. So that throw in the kitchen drawer for when we need to celebrate somebody's birthday or special day. So I got those, and I'm so excited about my little haul here that I wanted to share with you. And I hope you're all having a wonderful day out there. I cannot wait to show you my fidget quilts that I'm going to be using these on. I thought I could use these on the junk journals, but I like using the ribbons and the fancy frou-frous around those. So we're going to be using these on some fidget quilts that I'm going to show you really, really soon. Very, very happy about my haul here. And again, I am going to try to get back into town in the next couple of days. Got to take the car in for a tune-up. So I'll be back that long drive to see if I can get some more loot from one of our favorite stores. Thanks, my friends. Have a great day. Bye-bye.